Welcome to Luca and Miguel. Enjoy the video.
In this video, I will explain how to use your Bubble Mate foot spa. First, find a comfortable, flat, and stable surface for your foot spa, like a bathroom floor or a sturdy mat. Make sure the power outlet is within easy reach and that the cord won't be a tripping hazard. Always take a moment to review your specific model's user manual for any unique features or safety guidelines before you begin. Now, let's get your foot spa ready for use. Carefully fill the basin with warm tap water, ensuring you do not exceed the indicated maximum fill line, which is typically marked inside. Overfilling can lead to spills and reduce the effectiveness of the bubble action. Remember, most foot spas are designed to maintain the water's initial temperature, not to heat cold water, so start with comfortably warm water. With the water ready, it's time to enjoy your spa experience. Plug the unit into a grounded electrical outlet and power it on. Gently place both of your feet into the warm water. Now, activate the bubble function for a soothing sensation and explore any massage rollers or vibration settings your model offers. Relax and let the spa work its magic for about 15 to 20 minutes. Proper cleaning ensures your foot spa remains hygienic and lasts longer. After each use, always unplug the unit from the power outlet before emptying the water. Rinse the basin thoroughly with clean water and wipe it down with a soft cloth and a small amount of mild soap. Allow all components to air dry completely before storing your foot spa in a cool, dry, and safe location, away from direct sunlight.
Thanks for watching and please subscribe. It's the best investment you'll ever make.